Yes, let us go through the installation to power this 600 liter scan first. So the battery is set up and this is still under process. As you can see, this is charge controller and the breaker box with battery, 2 tubular battery, and this is 600 liters first. As you can see, 600 liters. So I have 6 pieces of solar panel that we are enough to charge this battery in order to power this particular container with 600 liter scan first. So we are going to descend the panels to the up, and after that we will show you how the panel are being connected. As you can see, this is SPD surge protection device, and this is DC breaker. So this is also an AC breaker, you understand, for the inverter, while this will be for panel. So we are going to take you through the process. All right, this is 6 pieces of the solar panel that we are not to charge the battery. So we are going to mount it on the particular roof of the container. So after we descend the panels to the up, then we'll show you through the process. All right, is 6 pieces of panels, like I said. So what we are going to do right here, we are going to series 2, then we parallel them. What did I mean? This is one cable from this for this panel. This 2 cable is for this panel. These 2 other cables for that panel. This like that. Then we will pick the negative of this one and join it here with the positive of this one. Then we have series this one. Pick the negative of this one, join it with the positive of the other one. You have series one. Then you go to other side, you do the same thing. Then you go to other side, you do the same thing. If you do like that, then you leave with, you pick the negative of this one with the positive of this one. Then it will be positive of this one and the negative of this one left, right? The same thing there, the same thing other there. Then after you have take it 2 series, then the remaining one you join the positive together down to charge controller. Then you join the negative together down to charge controller. But remember, the positive of this one and the negative of this one, you are not going to touch them again. You understand? It's only the one that you have not touched before. For instance, let me do it. Though I have nobody holding the camera for me, this is the negative and this is the positive. I'm going to join them now. Wow. I have slotted them in. Now I have done with this one. I push it inside. I only left with the negative, with the positive of this one, and the negative of this one. Now this is the second panel, right? Now, though I have done this one before, so it's the same thing that I have done. I join the positive with the negative, then leave the positive on this one. Now this is the last one, which this is the positive of this one and this is the negative of the other one. I'm going to slot them in. Bam. I have successfully slot them in. So after I successfully slot them in, I leave the positive and the negative. Now what I'm going to do is slot this one in. What I'm going to do right now, so what I'm doing, that is the inverter they just brought. So what I'm going to do right now, as you can see, I slot this one, so I'm not going to touch this one. So what I'm going to do is this. I will take this positive that is left, then I will join it with the positive of that one, then to the positive of that one, to the positive of that one, then join to the positive of the charge controller. Then I will take the negative of this one, the positive of that one. This is the first negative that I have joined. Then I will take the positive of that one, with the positive of this one, with the positive of that one, then send it to charge controller. So I have successfully series parallel. That means what I just simply do is that if this one is 30 volt and this one is 30 volt, when I series it will give me 60 volt. If the current of this one is 10 amps and the current of this one is 10 amps, once I series it, it will give me the same current, which is 10 amps, but the voltage increase at this time. So the same thing that I have done, the 30 of this one with 30 of that one, making 60, the current remain the same like that. Then when you parallel them, it means the current that remains the same here, which is 10 current of the two, when it's joined with this one, it will be 20, joined with this one, it will be 30. So that is just what I did. All right, then I will send them to charge controller as simple as ABC.